If you are searching a free web hosting and if you are beginner in web development sector, so in that case this video will be very beneficial for you. After watching this video, you will learn how can you get the unlimited free hosting. You will get the unlimited disk space, you will get the unlimited bandwidth, okay, and you will get the unlimited subdomains also. So it's amazing website. You have to watch this video until the last if you want to know about the unlimited free hosting. Guys, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not going to sponsor any video on this YouTube channel. So I'm just making this video only the teaching purpose only. So if you want also the free web hosting, then you can watch this video until the last. After watching this video, you don't have to watch any video to get free web hosting. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Dipesh. Right, if you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So guys, now I'm going to show you my computer screen and you will learn to use unlimited free web hosting, which will be very beneficial for you. So if you want also free web hosting, then you have to watch this video until the last. So without any delay, let's move on to our computer screen. Welcome back to in my computer screen. So today I'm going to show you how can you use the free hosting service. So it will be totally free of cost. So I'm going to show you that website. So that website is ultimatefreehost.a. Using this website, you can use or you can run your website in free of cost. So if I went inside the packages, now you can see here there is a three type of packages available. The first one is free hosting, the second one is premium hosting, and the third one is WordPress hosting. So guys, this is not a sponsored video, so this is just I'm making this video for the learning purpose only. So now you can see here the features. For the free hosting also there is unlimited MySQL database and the unlimited GB disk, unlimited GB bandwidth, and unlimited CPANEL, X3 panel, and unlimited domain and subdomain, and unlimited mail accounts. So guys, so this is one of the amazing features, right? So if there is unlimited GB bandwidth and there is unlimited GB disk, this is one of the useful things for us if you are a web developer or if you are trying to learn web development. After this, just click in the sign off now. So just click here and the form will be open here. So after this, now you can see here the first thing is it's asking me the default URL. So I'm just giving the demo. Sorry. So I'm just using this demo, and you can choose the subdomain also, but in this time I'm just using, I think, this one. And for the password, you have to put the password, and after this you have to just use the email. So in this time I'm just using my temporary email because I'm just making this video for the learning purpose also. So after watching this video, you will get the knowledge how can you get the free hosting service. After this is telling the auto install script. You can choose this one, any of CMS. You can use the WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. There are lots of types of the CMS available, but in this time I'm just using the do not install script. And after this you can choose the site category. So there are different kind of categories also available: personal, business, hobby, forum, dating, but in this time I'm just using the personal. And after this you have to type this the security code. So the security code is FFZ5D. After this, just click in the register. So now it's telling me that security code does not match. So I think there was some mistake here. So I think I need to put the password again. What happened here? Oh, it is not Z, it is 7. So after this I'm just clicking in the register. So now you can see here it's telling me that an activation email has now sent to my email account. So here is some instructions. So after this I'm going to inside here. Now you can see here the ultimate free host.in, send me your email, and after this just click inside this link. Okay, I think I need to copy this link. Yeah, after copying this one, just go here and paste it and press the enter. So now you can see here my account has been activated. So it's telling me that please take a note of the details below. These are needed. So just I need to select this one, okay, and I need to copy this one. I can open the notepad, okay, and I think I need to store this one, okay. But in this time I'm not storing this one. I'm just using this one for the teaching purpose. So after this just go to again inside the website, so ultimatefreehost.in, and after this just go to inside the login and just click in the control panel login. After this just you have to use this username, okay. So I'm just using this one, copy, and I'm just using that one and just paste it. So I'm just using my password also. So now my login has so my account has been verified. It's telling me that hi item to notify you of changes to service account status change. So just click in the I approve. So it's telling me that thanks, the panel will now load. So it will take little bit time, so it's loading. So now you can see here in this site it's showing me the statistics, and in this site it's showing me the account details and everything else. The useful things here is available. So after this just click inside the subdomains. If you have the domain, just click in the add domains, but in this time I'm just using the subdomains. So now you can see here if I click here, so I'm just using this one. So I'm just typing hello, hi, namaste, and just click in the create. So now you can see here it's telling that modify a subdomain. So here is a home directory and the current subdomains is telling me like that, okay. And you can directly click in the site builder also. If you want to delete the site, just you can click from the delete also. But to use the free hosting, just you have to go inside here, just click in the home. After this, now you can see here there is one useful option. Just click in the Softaculous apps installer, just click here. So it's again opening another web page which will provide free hosting to you. So now you can see here there is lots type of content management systems available. There is a WordPress and the Cart, PrestaShop, Joomla, PHPBB, Open Real Estate, different kind of content management systems available. But in this time I'm just using the WordPress and just click in the install. So it's installing. Okay, so after this just you have to give the site name. So I'm just giving the demo site, okay. Demo WordPress site, WordPress website, or just wait here, WordPress website for YouTube channel. And after this just click in the admin, and the password should be also, I'm just using the something else, okay. After this just you have to use the admin email and everything else. So after this you can select the theme also from here. So in this time I'm just selecting this theme, okay. And after this Okay, it's okay. So after this, just click in the install. So now you can see here it's installing. So it's telling that checking the submitted data. So it's installing the system inside my web hosting. So it's one of the amazing website which will provide you free hosting service. If you are trying to learn in this case, you can use this software. So now you can see here there are different kind of features available. You can use the wikis, you can use the social networking, okay, and you can use different kind of things, and you can use the calendar also. You can use the ad management, different kind of useful things available here. So now you can see here it's telling me that okay, just wait for a moment, it's taking a little bit time. Okay, so if I went here inside JavaScript, now there are also different kind of useful things available. Okay, libraries. Okay, so if I went here, different kind of things available, right? So it's taking a little bit time. I think it's already installed. So if I went here, I think my website has been completed. So it's telling that demo site. Okay, so it's amazing website, right? So if I click like this, I think it's not working. Briefly unavailable for schedule maintenance. So you can also use this one, this website. The website is ultimatefreehost.in. So hoping that you understand. So there are lots different kind of website available which will provide you free hosting, but it's this ultimatefreehost.in, it's amazing. It's giving you ultimate bandwidth, it's giving you unlimited disk space also. So it's amazing website, so you can also use this one. There are lots free web hosting providers, so you can use the 000webhost.com also, but there is a limited web hosting plans, right? So in this website, in this ultimatefreehost.in, you will get the unlimited bandwidth, and you will get the unlimited disk space, and you will get the unlimited subdomains also. So it's one of the useful things, right? So you can also use this website.